tell me how you feel about that.
I feel sad.
You feel sad? Hormonal? Because you don't want your dildo. Your sugar cane. I am your sugar spoon. But anyways, my leg hurts.
Okay. Did you just burp?
No?
Or fart?
You.
No. I did not.
I think it was your boobs.
Ow. Okay, well, we are really bored. We have nothing to do. So you should send us requests on what to do. You, Jim, you know, who said we were sexy or whatever, who you're 108 or whatever, send us what to do, and we'll do it. Maybe.
Maybe.
Because I'm in my
Because we're,
mom's
like,
house.
Awesome. And yeah. I'm still wearing my socks. Anyway.
Me too. So, just send us anything, you know.
Whatever.
Not really.
No, we're not.
No. But I will not back down from a dare.
No. No.
Like earlier today. Haha. So yeah, send us
And I have a big mouth.
She does. She has a big mouth. Haha, tricked you. Yeah. But you, Jim, if you don't send us requests, we ain't gonna give you more. Because there's nothing to give you if you don't give us what to do. So yeah, there's Kylie and her big mouth and... Peace.